In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 not turning on. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the very first thing I want you to check is that it might actually be working and it might be on, but your HDMI might not be connected properly. So make sure whether you're using a TV or monitor, make sure your HDMI is plugged in properly in there. And then on the console side of things, also make sure it's plugged properly in the back of your console as well. Next thing you want to do is go over to the back, and as you can see, I have my PS5 right here. There's a lot of different things, right? And I'm going to see my power, which is going to be right at the bottom. So make sure that this is plugged in properly, because I do hate the connectors on consoles because it is kind of weird. Like, the way it doesn't click, it's just like, you have to just make sure it's properly plugged in. You can also try and flip it and turn it around. And then obviously just make sure mine is plugged in right there. Make sure it's plugged in properly as well, because if it's not plugged in properly, that could be one of the reasons why it's not turning on properly. But then you should be good to go. Then if it's not, turning on through your PS5 controller, just press the power button on your PS5 right at the bottom, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.